In this video, I will show you how to draw Among Us characters very easily, so let's get started. You want to start off by drawing construction lines before you do the final sketch. They don't have to be exact fine lines because remember, they only use as a background sketch before you come back later on to rub these lines off. So the body shape of the Among Us character is quite simple, so let's start off with an egg shape for their main body. And then draw the center line as you can see here. Now the reason why the center line is not exactly at the center of the egg-shaped body is because the body is tilted towards the right direction because the character is looking towards that way. And then using the egg shape, draw their two stumpy little legs just below their body. And then use the rectangular shape to draw their oxygen supply pack. Roughly at the similar height of the oxygen supply pack, draw their goggles or their eyes, which is just a rectangular shape with rounded corners. Now what I'm showing you here next is how you can draw several Among Us characters using exactly the same technique described before. As you can see, I've extended the horizontal lines from the top of their head and the bottom of their legs to make sure I have the same vertical dimensions of the second and third characters. Now you can easily follow the same principle for drawing more characters to your liking side by side. You can see here that I'm being very loose with the construction or sketch lines is because I know that they only serve as a guide to help me with the final outline later on. So I'm not being too precious with where these lines are placed. As long as roughly they are in the right area, that's what matters. So don't get too fixated on making sure they're perfect like the final outline. After the sketches are done, as you can see here, use a different color pencil to draw the details of the characters, like the headpieces and their props and their weapons, because using a different color will help you with the final outline sketch later on. As a tip, when you draw the headpieces, make sure there is symmetry on the left and the right side of the sketch. And again, I'm applying the rule of symmetry to the third character when I draw the leaves on top of the head. So now from this point onwards, you're gonna be watching how I do the final outline of the characters in this video. Remember, when you do this yourself, use a thick marker pen to bring out the boldness of these characters. so that you can bring them to life from your artwork. So I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial, and let me know what you think.